Hey, I'm Dr. Axe, and welcome to Transformation TV. This week I want to ask you the question, is your cookware killing you? For many of us today, we use Teflon pans, and a recent research out of Newswise has found that if you are using Teflon, and specifically for children, it raises your LDL cholesterol, so it raises your bad cholesterol, causing heart disease. And so if you are using this thing right here, called a Teflon pan non-stick cookware, it is creating severe disease and it's devastating your entire body. Also, research has shown that if you are using Teflon cookware, it releases something called PFOAs, a highly toxic substance. They said it's really the heating process. When you heat these pans up, that's when it's going to release the toxins. They said if your cookware gets up to, once it gets up to 680 degrees, which usually happens after 3 to 5 minutes of cooking, that is when 6 highly toxic chemicals are released. And when it reaches, when your pan reaches 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, something called PFIBs are released, which is a an agent used in chemical warfare, highly toxic. And here's what happens if you use Teflon. Number one side effect is going to be thyroid issues. And so if you're a person with a slow metabolism or any sort of thyroid problems, this will cause a problem with your thyroid. Also, recent research has shown that using these Teflon pans here has been shown to increase your risk of infertility by 134%. So again, if you are using Teflon, your chance of infertility as a male and as a female goes up by 134%, and that's out of a recent medical journal as well. Also increases your risk of cancer, and it's been shown to be an immunosuppressant, and it weakens your immune system, creating inflammation throughout your entire system.